This is why shorts this morning were so obvious, and I'm going to show you why time frame by time frame. So our analysis is actually going to start yesterday. Yesterday, with Trump and Powell speaking, we created this humongous 4-hour fair value gap. This is a very key area of interest here for the market. There's two things that it can do from here. It can either inverse this 4-hour fair value gap, which would be extremely bullish and probably send us back to all-time highs, or we could come up into this fair value gap and reject it for lower. This is going to bring us to market open today. As you can see here, overnight, we had gotten a very bullish move back up into this 4-hour fair value gap. So once again, from here, we got two options. We either invert this gap within the first hour of market open and send it to all-time highs, or market open flushes us down lower. Looking at the 15-minute chart now, we have our overnight range in Asia lows and London lows. And our opening range move is obviously extremely bearish off of this. We sweep out London lows. If we are going to get a bullish reaction to come back up to the top of this 4-hour fair value gap, it's going to be from right here. Or we could get this continuation lower to take out previous day low and even take this 4-hour swing low. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop to an even lower time frame and see for a potential entry. Here we're on the 5-minute. Let's see what we get. All right, we're just making the move lower. We take out Asia low. Making the move lower, as you can see here, we built out this 5-minute gap. Let's see what happens in this gap. Make the move up into it, okay? We invert this gap. This could potentially be bullish, right? But we immediately fail. You can see this on the 1-minute chart. We inverted that 5-minute gap. Next candle immediately gets slammed back down and inverting this bullish fair value gap that we created. This was my entry short. Why? We've gotten a bearish reaction through overnight levels. We have an obvious draw of liquidity here in previous day lows and this 4-hour swing low. We get a rebalance of price into this 5-minute fair value gap. A potential reversal, actually, a failure of that reversal, and an inversion to send us lower. This is a perfect example of using time frame alignment to set up your trades. And as you're going to see here, it took a little bit. We almost got stopped, but we eventually will hit our draw on liquidity.